What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? If you're watching this video, you want to change your horn in your 2010 Toyota Camry. We got a couple of horns here. We got one here and one here. I've seen videos where they remove the whole front bumper. You don't have to do that. What you want to do is you want to get your replacement right here, the Hella. I'll have the link in the description below. You're going to take a 12mm socket. You're going to come into here. There's only a couple of bolts that are holding these things up, and you're just going to back them out. Just like this. When it gets loose, just be careful. You don't want it to fall down in there. So you want to just reach in, grab the horn, because it's got a little cord on it, a little plug. And you want to just pull this out right like this. You can get the horn out, get the plug, just like this. Take this over here so you don't lose it. You're going to open up your box here. Very simple. Some of these you need a plug that they have a retrofit, or like a piece that you would put, a universal that would clip onto this one and then go into yours. We're going to see if this one fits. The reviews were telling me that they fit without that piece. So you want to squeeze down and pull this out. Just like that. A little green there, you want to kind of clean that off. And we'll see if this will fit, which I think it will. You click it in place. There you go. Take your horn, fit it back in the hole here. Just like that. You want to get your bolt. Make sure we're still clipped in. Get your bolt here, put it through the hole, and put it back in place. Over here. Bada bang, and it's starting to rain, so I'm going to try to get this done quick. Go nice and easy. Get it started with your finger. Once you get started, tighten it up as much as you can. Then you get your socket back in here, fit it behind there, and tighten her up. Keep going until she's nice and tight so she doesn't rattle. Nice and snug, and boom, there you go. That's one. And you're going to take this one off and do the same with this side. And that's how you change the horns in a 2010 Toyota Camry. We'll get rid of this old one. It's when you push down the button and it goes and it really doesn't sound good. So I'll put this in the link I'll put these in the link description below. $25, you get two. I'm going to do the other one tomorrow because it's starting to rain, as you can see, but it's very simple. It took me, what, 5 minutes? All right, we'll catch you on the next one. What do we got to do now? Yo, Sonny, you in there, son? You always want to test it, too, when you're done. That sounds good for $25. Yo, Sonny!